NewsRme. Colombia's new leader on the left wants a global rethink of drug policies. President Gustavo Petro of Colombia has called for a new worldwide approach to tackle drug trafficking. During his inaugural address, the nation's first-ever leader from the left labeled the war on drugs a failure. Hundreds of thousands of people perished during Colombia's decades-long civil conflict, partially fueled by the drug trade. The 62-year-old former mayor of Bogota and ex-rebel was elected in June on a radical platform pledging to combat inequality and prohibit new oil projects. Mr. Petro told a crowd of his supporters in Bogota that it was time for a new international treaty that acknowledges the failure of the war on drugs. It has killed 1 million Latinos over the last 4 decades, he continued, and 70,000 North Americans annually via overdose. More than 50 years ago, U.S. President Richard Nixon initiated a worldwide anti-narcotics policy that emphasized criminalization and the use of police action. This approach was dubbed the war on drugs. The newly inaugurated president of Colombia said that the policy has boosted the dominance of criminal gangs and damaged Latin American nations over decades. According to estimates, more than half of the world's cocaine is produced in Colombia, where criminal gangs and local militias are significantly engaged in the drugs manufacturing and distribution to customers across the globe, including the United States and Europe. Mr. Petro's predecessor, Ivan Duque, made the fight against drugs a principal focus of his administration, gaining primary U.S. backing to eradicate coca cultivation in rural Colombia.